Welcome to this rare opportunity for a gorgeous custom-built log home overlooking the Willamette Valley. It's situated on 283 secluded acres. Included or can be sold separately, the acreage consists of 3 parcels, 160 acres, 80 acres, and the home is located on 42 acres. The beautiful acreage is filled with timber and pasture land. The ultimate in privacy, yet only 35 minutes from Eugene or Corvallis. Exquisite custom log work defines every living space with intricate details, soaring ceilings, and a floor-to-ceiling stone mantel for the main level pellet stove. This custom-built pioneer log home, as seen on Timber Kings, is beautifully crafted with an expansive 2,400 square foot cedar deck, ready for wildlife viewing or entertaining. The flowing floor plan opens to the delightful kitchen with bar seating and peaceful views. Relax in the jacuzzi hot tub while enjoying the panoramic vista. This custom, solid hand-scraped door leads to your main level primary suite, with vaulted ceilings and a spa-inspired bath, featuring a large shower with steam option, jacuzzi tub, and a large walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find a privately located vaulted bedroom with a balcony overlooking the garden, plus its own bath. On the lower level, unwind by the wood-burning fireplace in the huge recreation room. You'll find 2 more generous bedrooms in this home of more than 4,900 square feet, plus another full bath. A huge pantry has custom cabinets. The covered patio is ready for year-round entertaining or watching wildlife, including deer, elk, bobcat, and turkeys. The cinder block barbecue pig pit is ready for memorable cookouts. Or enjoy the 16-foot Pacific yurt. You'll also love the orchard, fenced garden, enclosed outbuilding with animal pen, 2-car garage, and huge carport. A fantastic opportunity to experience the best of all worlds. Luxury living with incredible privacy, yet close to city conveniences. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Bryan Rehnberg with Premier Property Group.